In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement a work breakdown structure, or WBS, in Smartsheet step by step. Before we dive in, make sure your sheet is set to grid view, the hierarchy tools that make a WBS work, like indenting and roll-ups, only function in grid view. If you don't see the indent options in your toolbar, you're likely in Gantt or card view, so switch back to grid. Let's set up the table so the structure is clear and easy to maintain. In this example, the sheet includes columns for WBS ID, task name, phase, start date, end date, duration, assigned to, status, and percent complete. Each row represents a single task or deliverable. Keeping each item focused and action-oriented will make tracking and reporting much easier later on. Now, identify the main phases of your project. These will become the parent tasks that hold groups of related work. Common phases include project, initiation, planning, execution, and closure. Add these as top-level rows in your task name column. Think of them as containers for the detailed work you're about to add. Next, list the subtasks that belong under each phase. Enter them on separate rows directly beneath the appropriate phase. And once your subtasks are in place, select the rows that should belong to a phase and click Indent Row in the toolbar. Indenting creates a parent-child relationship, which is the core of a work breakdown structure. You can repeat this process to create multiple levels if you need to break work down further. As soon as your rows are indented, Smartsheet automatically rolls up key information from the child rows to the parent. Start dates, end dates, durations, and percent complete will summarize at the phase level. This gives you a clear, high-level view without any extra work. For accuracy, remember that updates should happen at the lowest level of the hierarchy. The parent rows are there to show the aggregated picture. Continue refining your tasks until the WBS shows the full scope of the project in manageable pieces. A good rule of thumb is that each lowest level task should be small enough to estimate, assign, and track without ambiguity. As progress changes, update your status and percent complete on the task rows. You'll see the parent phases update automatically, providing real-time insight into how the project is moving. And that's how you implement a work breakdown structure in Smartsheet. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.